Hi, my name is Jason Lascano. B- BET Automotive 3R, 3H. Interactive English has had a profound impact on my language learning journey. The way I use English conference during reporting is quite hard, but it's helped me a lot how to use words and sequencing it properly. There are times that my mind is full of thoughts form in English language, but I struggle to spit it out. And also, there are times that I deliver my thought in a proper way, or I may call smooth. By speaking English language, bring, bring my self-esteem and confidence up, or probably just boosted my eagerness to learn more and improve my communication skill. The way I communicate using English conference towards other feels like I'm not first feels like I'm a bit dominant. Funny it seems, but only when I deliver it properly. Also, I figured out that if you're having a conversation using English inside the campus, or even in a discussion, it's like normal. But if you're outside or in public places and you're speaking English, I feel awkward or near say konyo. In that in in that just my reflection toward using English as a manner in a place where not all of us are are used to it. It's very helpful to people and its students like me to know to speak English and how to communicate using it. Learn to speak learn to speak in a place there are audience, and speak using English to make us well mannered to other person. That's all. Thank you.